Here we are looking at a Sargent control panel. On the screen we have the clock. We show it's charging the leisure battery at the minute, and our fresh water is empty. If we want to change the clock, we click on the setting using the plus and minus to change the hours and minutes, but we must tick it after, otherwise it will revert back to how it was before. If we're unsure of that, we have a question mark in the top corner. We can click on there and that will explain it to us, and we can flick through the 2 pages there explaining how it works. To the left we have return. We can next go to the home key, and that gives us our 4 tiles for each section in the control panel. So let's click on one. First one is lighting. So we've got our main lights on and off. We have our dimmable lights. We can brighten and dim them. And we have our awning light on and off. Unsure again, we press the question mark and that will explain it to us on the 2 pages. And return takes us back. Back to home. We can go into the next tile, the power one. So on here it shows us we are charging the leisure battery, showing the rear of the van, and that is charging via the mains. We have our voltage and how many amps are going into the battery. If we press the yellow indicator, that then takes us to our vehicle battery. Vehicle battery is good at the minute. It'll say poor, fair or good. Our voltage, and that is not charging at the minute as it is fully charged. Pressing the yellow one again will then take us into our solar panel, and that's saying that the solar panel is putting a little bit into the vehicle battery. Pressing the yellow key again gives us our estimated times for fully charged, health of the battery, capacity of the battery, all our information we need to know. Pressing the yellow one again will take us back to where we started. Unsure again, we can press the question mark, which will explain it to us. We can either go back to the home page or we can go into the next tile. This one is for the water. So we have the fresh water, it's showing it is empty. We have the tank heaters. If we're out in winter, we can put the tank heaters on and that'll stop the tanks from freezing. And off again. We have the water pump on and off. And we have the fill button, which is for using an external 12-volt socket for the water fill pump. And that is on and off. Pressing the yellow one will take us to our wastewater, and pressing it again will take us back to our fresh water. Again we have the question mark, we'll go home, and the last one is environment. Inside temperature, humidity and external temperature. And back to our home screen again. And that is our control panel.